Hey, Black Friday High Performance has a special offer for homeowners. It's the perfect time to ensure your roof is in top condition. Book an appointment with our roofing experts for a roof and home exterior inspection. Our skilled team will thoroughly assess the condition of your roof, providing you with peace of mind.
In just 20 to 40 minutes, we'll conduct a comprehensive evaluation of your roof. We focus on identifying any potential issues and ensuring your home's safety and durability.
That's right, and as our way of saying thank you, we'll give you a $50 Chick-fil-A gift card just for having us over by December 11th. Remember, there's no obligation to purchase anything.
After our visit, we'll send you a full detailed roof and home condition report and photos. This report will give you a clear understanding of your roof status and any recommendations we may have.
Yes, and with High Performance Restoration, we're not just getting you an inspection, you're gaining the knowledge to make the best decisions for your home. Book your appointment today and take the first step toward securing a well-maintained roof. High Performance Restoration, protecting your home, enhancing your comfort. Don't miss out on this special offer. Schedule now.